Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Clay back from Reyes Rex and Review Page, and today I got a clip using my brand new tool bag I got. Shout out to the brand for sending it over. Let's take a look. Middle divider, outer pockets on the front, side clips, really nice material and zipper. More storage, top banded storage, a couple pockets on the back, also on the other side. On the interior, it fits so much stuff. Literally can put so much stuff in here. I love it. Zips up really nice. All right, you guys, and that's gonna do it for the tool bag. I've been in and out using it all day. Really love the different pouches and versatility it brings for the different things you can store and tote around. Whether you're a professional in the trades, someone just using it for leisure use. I love the versatility, love the coloring, and I can organize a little bit better and put smaller stuff in all the different pockets. Like I said, it could be used for different careers and uses too. So little batteries, get creative with it as always. Highly recommend. Definitely gonna be a 10 out of 10 for me. Go get one for yourself.